Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make twice that side table. Okay, we have to make the rectangle for basic shape. We can place on this position around 500 and 500 millimeter. Okay, so then we can select it all and we can push it up around 500 millimeter approximately, or maybe we can push it up again. We can push it up again around 300 millimeter. Okay, so then we can select it all, then we can rotate it. Okay, then we can rotate it until maybe around 45 degree or 90 degree anyway. Okay, it's just something like this. It's around 45 degree, so we will find the twice that rectangle of it. Okay, and then we can select it all, and then we can just assign with a material. We can use the synthetic surface, and then we can place on this, just make it group, and it's done. So then we can show the shadow of it. We can appear the measurement of it. We can appear the height of it. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.